Hey guys, welcome to JAMB 2024 Chemistry Online Class. My name is Chris, and I'm here to be of help to you in your preparation process. This is the first class on chemistry, so you want to pay close attention. I want to look at one interesting topic that JAMB normally used to ask. It's called the structure of atom. We have to study what the structure of atom. Now we want to break down what is atom, the three fundamental particles of atom, the atomic symbol, the ionic symbol, the isotopy. Now we have to look at some possible exam questions. So what you want to do here is to relax, calm your mind down, take your notes, your pen and your calculator. Make sure you are in a place where no one will distract you, and I guess you have enough data to stream this video to the end. Now I want this class to be interactive. So now let me ask you here. In your JAMB 2024, imagine you have finished, you have done writing your exam and you have seen your results. What would you like to score in JAMB Chemistry this year? Leave a comment section. Leave a comment section that you want to score this. Now be confident. What do you want to score in chemistry? Do you want to score 50 over 100? Do you want to score 60 over 100? Do you want to score 80 over 100? Or do you want to score 92 over 100? Someone scored 92 over 100 last JAMB. Somebody scored 92. Yeah, the person only failed 8 few questions, only 8 marks. You get. So do you believe that you can score all this thing here? Now your believing system is your becoming system. Do you understand? So it does not matter if you are not that good in chemistry. We just believe that pick any of these score and say you want to score. You don't say you want to score 100. Some of you now you are saying you want to score 100. You say you want to score 100. Do you understand? So leave at the comment section that which of these you want to score. Leave at the comment section. Do you understand? And if you are happy that you are part of this class, leave at the comment section that you are happy. And if you are ready for this class, also leave at the comment section that you are ready for the class. So make sure you pay close attention. So now, therefore, what is an atom? An atom is the smallest particles or indivisible particles of an element that can exist on its own and still retain the chemical and physical properties of that element. Do you understand? So an atom is just one. You get. An atom is just one unit of the elements. You get. So if you look at aluminium, this is called aluminium metal. Aluminium metal contains thousands or millions of atoms that make up that aluminium metal. Do you understand? So now today we want to study the atom itself. As a chemistry student, you really want to know what atom is all about. You understand the subatomic particles of the atom and how to calculate. You need to understand what we call the atomic symbol, the ionic symbol. These are things JAMB normally used to ask. You get. If you go to JAMB past, these are things you see, and these are things I want to break down. Not only this one, I will also teach you isotopy, how to calculate isotopes, percentage abundance of the various isotopes. So we want to pay close attention. Do you understand? So now if you look at atom here, atom is divided into two main components. Two main components. Here we have the shell. The shell just know what energy level. Please take it down. Energy what level? Now there also have what we call the nucleus. The nucleus is also known as what? As mass number. We shall come to that. Mass number. We shall come to that. Now, if you should draw the structure of the atom, now there are two components. We have what we call the central core, which we call the nucleus. And the shell usually energy level surround it. So now the shell contain one subatomic particles, which is called the electron. Why the nucleus contain two subatomic particles, which are what? The proton and the neutron. The proton and the neutron. So the shell electron revolve around the nucleus. Right there. So now, so these are the three fundamental particles of atom. So if they should ask you what are three fundamental particles of atom, you can say what the electron, the proton, and the what the neutron. Do you understand? Proton, the neutron, the electron, the proton, and the neutron. So that what three fundamental particles. Now, before we move on here, we have to look at what. Let's look at relative mass and electrical charges of the subatomic what particles. So okay, now let's look at what relative mass and electrical charge of what subatomic particles, which are what the proton, the neutron, and the electron. Please pay close attention here. So here we have the particles, and you have what the charge, and you have what relative mass, relative what mass. I so okay, now the first one we have to look at is the proton. Okay, now what is the charge of the proton? Okay, what is the charge of the proton? The charge of the proton is what is positive. Positive. It means that the positive charge of an atom is what is the proton. So if they should ask here which fundamental particle of the atom is what is the positive charge. You are talking about the proton. I get. Now the relative mass, now let us say is what is one. I get one. Then you have what? You have neutron. Neutron is electrically what neutral. That is, it does not have any charge at all. So you can say is neutral. I get is neutral. It is not negative. It's not what positive. And the relative mass is also one. I get. Then electron. Now the charge is what is negative. Is what is negative. And the relative mass is what 1/1840. Do you understand? So that is if the positive charge of the atom is what is the proton, while the negative charge of the atom is what is the electron. Do you understand? Then the neutral part of the atom is what is neutron. You get. So now when you talk about the relative mass, the relative mass of the atom. Now, if the proton number is one, the neutron number is one, then the electron number is what 1/1840. It means that the mass of the electron is very, very small. So because 1 divided by this, you have to get 0.00 something here, right? So that is the mass of the electron is extremely what small. Do you understand? So if for example here, if you look at the atom again, where contain the mass of the atom? The mass of the atom is centered at what? At the nucleus. At the nucleus. So that's why it's called the mass number. And so the reason why nucleus is called the mass number because it contains what? The proton and the what? And the neutron. And the mass of the electron is extremely what small because it's 1/this number here. So it's extremely what small. Hope you understand. So if they should ask here, which part of the atom is the mass of the atom? You have to say what is nucleus. Why? Because it contains what? The proton and what? And the neutron. Do you understand? Please, if you're following, leave a comment section that you are what following. And if you have any question, also leave a comment section that you also leave a comment section. You can ask your question. Do you understand? So that is the first thing you want to understand here. So the nuclear particles, we have to look at what the atomic number. Atomic what number? Atomic number is not as Z. So you look at what atomic number. So the first nuclear particle we have to look at is called what? The atomic what number. Now, what is the atomic number? Atomic number, please state it again. Atomic number is numbers of proton in the what? In the nucleus. The numbers of proton in the nucleus is called atomic what number. So you can say numbers of proton. Numbers of proton in the nucleus. is called what? Atomic number. Hi there. It's called what? Atomic what? Number. Now, an atomic number, okay, so you can see that proton number, proton what number is also the same as what? Atomic what? Atomic what number. Very, very important. Please take it down. And it's denoted what with Z. So it's denoted what with Z. And the next one to look at is what? Mass number. Mass number. Which is what? A. Now, what is mass number? Mass number is the sum of what? The proton number and what? And the neutron number. Do you understand? Mass number. So you can see that mass number is the sum of what? Proton number and what? Neutron number. Again, in the sense that now, if the atomic number or the proton number is Z and the mass number is A, then the neutron number, let the neutron number denoted what with what N. Is okay. So atomic number is Z, do you understand? Mass number is what is A, and neutron number is what is N. Do you understand? So now you need to what pay attention here. So it means that my mass number, what it means that the mass number is equals to what? Proton number. I remember proton number is also about atomic what number. Do you understand? Plus what? Neutron what number. It's okay, neutron what number. So there are things you need to what pay attention to. You get it means that my A is equals to what? Z plus what? N. So A is what is the mass number, Z is what is the proton number, or the atomic number, the N is what is the neutron number. Do you understand? So this is the first thing you want to what take note of. So this is the first thing you want to take note of because they are also what the fundamentals. You get so that what elemental symbol. Do you understand? So if you look at the element in the periodic table, if you look at the element in the periodic table, you find that the element is having something at the top and something like that. Like let's say this is an element X. You have what A and what and Z. This is called elemental what symbol. You understand? And the atom behave like what the element. So you can also say atomic what symbol. So every atom must have A and what and Z. So this one is the atom. I get is what is atom. You get is what is atom itself. Then this one here is what is called what the mass number. Mass what number. I get, and this is called the what atomic number. And the atomic number is also our proton number. I get. So this is what you want to take note of. At times you can also remove this one and say is what is an element. That's why it's called elemental what symbol. Called elements. That's why it's called what elemental what symbol. You get. So now you'll be given something like you'll be given a symbol, and they'll ask you what is the proton number, the neutron number, and what the mass number and the electron number. Do you understand? So if for example you have X and here we have like 26 and here we have 14. Okay, now let us say we have something like this. You get, let us say we have something like this. Now in the exam they ask you what is the mass number. Mass what number, which is what A. Now what is what atomic number? What is the atomic what number, which is what Z. Is okay. And what is what proton number? What is what electron number? Okay. What is electron number? Now you need to understand here that mass number is the up one. Do you understand? So that the mass number is already obvious. It's 26. 26. Now atomic number is what? Is this Z here? What is 14? Right there. Now proton number is also what? 14, because the mass of proton in an atom is the atomic what number. So proton number and atomic number are what? That same thing. So here you can just say what is 14, right? The electron number. Now remember, here you can see that good. There's something I didn't explain very well for you. Now, in a neutral atom, please look up here. In a neutral atom, the proton number and the electron number are the same. Right there. In a what? In a neutral atom, in a neutral atom, proton number is equal to what? Atomic, is equal to what? Electron what number. Right. So in a neutral atom, now what do you understand by a neutral atom? A neutral atom is that atom that does not have charge. You understand? Like something like that is a neutral atom. You get? So in a neutral atom, the proton number and the electron number are the same. Right. So if here is 14, then here is going to be what? 14, because it's a neutral atom. Do you understand? So don't ever forget that in a neutral atom, the proton number and the electron number are equal. You get? Now, if they ask in the exam, why is when an atom is electrically neutral, what happens? Or what makes an atom electrically neutral? Now, an atom can be electrically neutral when the proton number and the electron number are the same. You understand? When they are the same. So, if for example, here, remember, I think that proton is what is positive, right? Electron is what? Electron is what is negative, right? So, for this guy to become a neutral atom, that is proton number and electron number they must be same, so that they can cancel that. So that is you're going to be what? Plus 14 minus what? 14, you're going to give what? 0. Don't make myself clear, please, you understand? So in a neutral atom, the proton number and the electron number are equal. Are equal. So that's why electron number is 14 here. So in a neutral atom, proton number is equal to what? To the electron number. Do you understand? Now the next thing you want to look at is what? The next thing you want to look at is what? Is the nucleus number. Is the neutron number. Which one is N? N. So how do you get the neutron number? Remember, let me write here. Remember, A is equal to what? Z plus what? N, right? My A is what? Is 6. My A is what? Is 26 equals to my Z is what? Is 14 plus what? N, right? So what am I going to do here? I'm going to what? Make N 0 formula here. So my N is going to be what? 26 minus what? 14. So that my neutron number is what? Is 12. It's okay. My neutron number is what? Is 12. Do you understand? So now let's try on that one here in the past question. I have one question in the past question. Yes, I have one in the past question. I copied it out. Right. So what is the proton number of cobalt that have the mass and proton number here? Right. So they're asking how many proton, neutron, and electron are present in the what? In the element. So you can pause the video and try it for me. So there's a question mark here. Do you understand? Leave your answer in the comment section, right? So you can pause the video and try. So here you can say what? My mass number. You always start with mass number. Although they say should give mass number there, but now let's start with mass number. We do what? A. Mass number is what? Is 60, right? Now proton number. We do what? Z, right? Proton number is what? Is 27, right there. Now if I should ask you, is it a neutral atom? Of course, it's a neutral atom. And in a neutral atom, proton number and the electron number are equal. So here you can see that electron number, which is equals to what? 20 what? 7, 27. So my neutron number, to get my neutron number, remember, if I should make neutron number is a formula, it means that what? N equals to what? A minus what? Z, right? So neutron number is equals to neutron number is equal to 60 minus what? 20 what? 7, right? So it's going to be what? So going to be 60 minus 27. You want to do what? 33. That is it. So the next one to look at here. So let me forget here, which is called Ionic symbol. Ionic symbol. So now we are looking at what the elemental symbol. That is elements that have what no charge, right? So now element that does not have any charge, the proton number and the electron number are the same. You get. So now look at what Ionic symbol. Now let us say for example here we have X, A, Z. Now let us say yes A. It's okay. Now, yeah, please pay close attention. Here is what is the mass number, of course. Mass number. Right? Here is what? Proton number. And here is what is the charge. Is what is the charge. And the charge can either be what? Can either be positive or what? Negative. Okay. Now, understand here that now whenever an atom undergo chemical changes, whenever an atom undergo chemical changes, you understand? So it involves in chemical reaction. Now, it only makes use of the electron number. Do you understand? So when an atom or element undergoes changes or chemical changes, it only makes use of the electron number. So it can either what gain an electron or lose what an electron. You get. So when an element gain electron, there's an increase in electron. Do you understand? But when an element lose an electron, there's a decrease in what in electron. Do you understand? There's a decrease in electron. So which I'm going to explain to you here. You get. So when an atom lose an electron, so when there's a loss of an electron, it forms a positive charge. When there's a gain of electron, it forms a negative charge, which I'm going to explain to you now. Don't worry, you understand. You get. So now this one you are seeing here, this charge here, this A. Do you understand? Remember, A is what? Is the mass number, right? Which is what? Z plus what of N, right? Now this A you are seeing here, A is also what? Proton, which is called the ion. So this A is called ion. So you can see that ion is equals to what? Proton number minus what? Proton number minus electron number. Okay, so you need to take it down here. Ion equals to proton number minus what? Electron number. Please take it down. Electron number. Right there. So ion equals to proton number minus what? Electron number. So we have ion equals to proton number minus what? Electron number. So if example here I have something like this, Na, right, which was 23 and 11. Here we have Na 23 and 11 plus. I there. So let's look at the proton number, the neutron number, the electron number, right? So the atomic number. So my mass number here, mass number. My mass number is what? Is 3. Is okay. Yeah, my mass number. My mass number is 23, right? Now my proton number is equal to what? 11. Yeah, my proton number is what? Is 11, right? What about my neutron number? Neutron number is what? 23 minus 11. 23 minus 11 is what? Is 12, right? So you have neutron number neutron number equals to what? 12. Right there. So now let our electron number. Electron number. Remember, I told you that in a neutral atom, this one is a neutral atom. In a neutral atom, the proton number and the electron number are the same. The proton number and the electron number are what? Are the same. So that is, if my proton number is 11, then my electron number is going to be what? 11. Right there. Now, but here, electron number, what is the electron number? Electron number is not the same with the proton number again. Why? Because there's a positive charge here. That is here my ion, here my ion is what? +1. Right? So I tell that ion is a proton number minus electron number, right? So yeah, because yeah, I'm trying to look for my electron number now. Please take note of this formula here. This formula is very. This formula is key. You get you may not this formula anywhere. You get. So now because I'm looking for my proton number, my electron number here. If you want make electron number is subject of formula here. Please pay close attention. My electron. So now let I develop this one down here and let's move to that point here. So my electron number is equal to what? Proton number minus ion. Idea very important here. So that is my electron here. So here I can say electron. So my electron number now. What I proton? My proton is 11, right? 11 minus. Remember, there is minus here. Minus my ion. My ion is what is +1. So what will be what? +1. Right there. So minus times plus is what is minus. So what will be 11 minus what? 11 minus 1 is what? 10. Then my electron number is what? Is 10. Right there. It means that now whenever you see a positive sign here, you have to subtract the magnitude from the proton number to get this one here. Just that if you don't want to go through this formula here. But I can tell you that this formula is very, very important because it's going to help you to solve so many questions in your exam. So many technical questions which I'm going to show you now. So look at something here. Now, whenever I have a positive sign here, if I remember here we have +1, right? To get my electron number, I have to subtract it from this one here. So 11 minus 1, I'm going to have 10. If there is +2, listen carefully. If there is +2, you're going to be 11 minus 2 to get the electron number. Do you understand? Nice one. So let's look at another one. Let's look at another question. Let's look at this guy here. So let's get the mass number, the proton number, the electron number, and the neutron number. So my mass number here, mass number. My mass number is 31, right? Proton number is what? Is 15, right? Neutron number is what? 31 minus 15. 31 minus 15 is what? Is 16, right? So what about my electron number? I get it. My electron number, I give a formula here. Proton number, what is proton number? Is 15. Minus, right? Minus ion. Ion is what? Is -3 here. There's minus here, so it's going to be -3. So we're going to be 15. Minus times minus is plus 3. We're going to be what? 15 plus 3 is going to be what? 18. Just I'm going to be 18. So my electron number is 18. In that, now to get the electron number is very easy. Now, whenever you see a negative sign here, you have to add it to what? To the proton to get the electron. Do you understand? And whenever there's a positive sign here, you have to subtract it from what? The proton. Do you understand? So then I have to do it here. So I want to leave some question for you guys. Okay, so You pause the video and try this for me. What is the what is the what neutron number for the following? So you have to try it for me. You get, so pause the video. You can also actually what, leave it at the comment section. But what I want to do here, I want us to solve more complex questions. You get, like those ones in the past question. So let's look at this past question that came out last year in JAMB Chemistry. So now before we do this here, please let me just take this of your time. Please, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button now. It's just a way of supporting this channel, and also give it a like. It's when you give it a like, it helps the YouTube algorithm to promote this video to other persons. And if you are following this video since to this time and you're actually following, like you truly understand what I'm doing here, please leave at the comment section that this video is helpful and you're following. You get, so these are the only things I want you to do for me. So let's do it. I beg now, do I beg, I beg. I beg, do I beg, I beg. Okay, I know that I have done it. Okay, now let's give this one here. So I've tried to check the past question. These are the type of questions, like only questions that I saw now. But in my private online class, in the private online class, the WhatsApp private online class, you have to solve more problems. So if you have not joined the private online class, it's not everything I post here on YouTube. You get, there are some premium content, and you can have access to me directly, because they will also learn on a constant basis. YouTube video is just like once a while, you get, but where we learn more is our private WhatsApp group. You get, so if you have not joined that private WhatsApp group, please, I will advise you to join that private WhatsApp group. You understand? Pay the sum of 15,000 naira for maths, chemistry, and physics, and join the WhatsApp group. Because from there, I want to leak some secrets in chemistry. So many topics, we have covered so many topics, chemistry and maths and physics. So if you have not joined the private WhatsApp group, please do yourself a favor. Endeavor, you look for money and join that class. If you want to join the class, join by the comment section that you like to join the class. Then I will respond to you. You get, or if you have direct access to my line, you can sharp it up. Then you can make your payment. Then you can be added to the group chat. You get, because there are so many things into what game, and we encourage you to what study. You get, because we learn on a constant basis. So now let's look at some other one here. Solution. Now they say that a proton that contains 8 protons. So proton number is what? Proton number is proton, which is what? Is Z. Is what? Is 8, right? Then neutron number, which is what? N, is what? Is 9. The electron number. Now let us say it is what? E is equals to what? Is E is equals to what? 7. Is that could be written as this. So they're asking what is the atomic symbol or the ionic what symbol right there. And you know that now let us say you have X, right? X, A, Z, and A here, right? This A is what? Is the ion, is the what? Ion, right? A is what? Is the mass number, right? Mass number. If you can follow, if you can remember, mass number. Z is what? Proton number. Right there. So now let's get A. My A is what? Is Z plus what? N. Which was the mass number equals to Z, which was the proton number plus N, which is the neutron number. So my proton number is what? Is 8 plus neutron number is what? Is 9. Sum 2 of them. So going to be 8 plus 9, which is what? 17, right? 17, right? So now, so here you can see that A equals to Z plus N. That is my Z, which is what? Is 8, the proton number, plus N, which is what? Neutron number, which is what? 9, going to give me what? 17, right? So here I can say X 17, right? Then Z, which is what? You're going to be what? 8, right? Now let's get our ion. How do you get our ion? Remember ion, what is ion? Ion equals what? Proton minus what? Electron, right? Proton minus what? Electron. Now, the proton number minus what? Electron number. So what my proton number? My proton number is 8, right? Minus my electron number is 7. Will be what? Plus 1. Positive, right? That is my ion. It's because of plus 1. So you're going to be what? Plus. Right there. So now let's figure out the correct one here. So because 17, 8 raised by plus 1, right? So is this the correct answer? No, this isn't the correct answer, right? Then let's check so here. This is the correct answer. So this is the correct one. This one is wrong, right? And this is what is wrong. So this is what typical JAMB question. Typical JAMB question. So let's see if I can give you one for you to try. Okay, now, if for example now you are being given this one here, proton number is 13, electron number is 10, neutron number is what? Is 13, right? So they're now asking, write the symbol, the ionic symbol, right? So we know that proton plus neutron. So therefore we have to get what the mass number, right? Mass number. A mass number which one is Z, A plus what? N, right? My A is what? Is the proton number, which is what? 13 plus neutron number is what? Is 13. You got to what? 20 what? 6. There's my X here. My X here is already what? 20 what? 6, right? A is what? Is the proton, right? Which is what? 13, right? Now let's get our ion, right? Remember, ion equals to proton minus what? Electron, right? Electron. Right? So what my proton? My proton is what? Is 13 minus what? My electron? My electron is what? Is 10, right? So what is the answer? Plus 3. Then you're going to be what? 3 plus. Right there. So what about if you now have this one here? B proton equals to what? Now let's say proton is 26. Electron equals to 28. The neutron is 24. Okay, I want you to go ahead and write the ionic symbol for me. You get pause video and write what this ionic symbol. I just want to see what you can do. Write the ionic symbol. Pause the video now and write what the ionic symbol. Right? So it's still going to be the same thing here. So it's still going to be the same thing. It's still going to be the same thing. Right? So my mass number, which is A, is going to be what? 26 proton number plus what? Neutron number 20 what? 4, right? Sum them together. 26 plus 24. Then we have what? 50, right? That is my X here. My mass number is what? Is 50, right? My Z, which is what? The proton is already what? 20 what? 6, right? Now let's get our A, which is what? The ion. Remember, ion goes to proton minus what? Electron, right? So what my proton here? My proton is what? Is 26 minus electron is what? Is 20 what? 8, right? So 26 minus 28. Yeah, I'm going to have minus what? 2, right? So that is a negative what? Ion. So let's do what? Minus 2. You get? So these are the type of questions JAMB will ask you in your exam. So far, we have done a lot of things when it comes to the structure of the atom. Do you understand? When we get to the structure of the atom. So what you want to do here, you can go through the video again, like go over again to the video, and make sure you watch it from start to ending. You get? Now, the next topic is going to be isotopy. You get? Which I cannot cover now, but I've done a complete video on isotopy. Now you see it, you see a lot of questions when it comes to isotopy. There are a lot of questions when it comes to isotopy, right? So, but before I introduce you to watch that video here, please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button now and give it a like, give this video a like, especially that is just a way to support the channel here. Do you understand? Then whenever you like this video, it shows that this video is what is useful. You understand? This video is what is useful, and there are a lot of value in this video when it comes to the mind of other persons. You get? So please give this video a like, and if this video is helpful, please leave a comment section that this video is helpful. Your comment go a long way to tell me that you are actually following. Do you understand? Now, if you want to understand isotopy calculation, then check out these videos. I've done about 2 or 3 videos on isotopy. You can go check out that video. Thanks for watching. So if you have not joined our private group chat when it comes to JAMB online class for maths, chemistry, and physics, to leave a comment section and that you have not joined but you want to join, I'll come to your DM, I'll come to there and tell you exactly what to do. Go on that video. I will see you.